Hello guys, I'm Basir JD, former developer at ROI Vision company in Montreal and a programming teacher at codingwithbasir.com. In this course, I'm gonna teach you how to program with React. Many companies like Yahoo, Bing, and Microsoft, and especially Facebook, uses React to develop their mobile and web application. And there is plenty of developers support React for you, so you can stick to this framework to find job and project around the world. This course is a progressive course and comprises of multiple slides which start with a Hello World program. Next, in session 2, I teach you what JSX is and introduce JSX and its application in React. In the third session, we will talk about rendering elements in React and how they render in document object model, which is in your browser. Then in next session, we start developing components and props, and we get familiar with these two important parts of React, which are components and props. In lecture 5, we will extract and compose components. So you will get familiar with extracting components and composing them. Then we will talk about states and lifecycle, which is an important part in React. So that's the way you interact with UI. In lecture 7, we will handle events and how to deal with events like clicking a mouse button or entering a value inside an input box, and you will find out how to deal with such things. After that, we will know how to conditional render an elements in React. Conditional rendering is an important part to make your application behave differently based on different conditions. Then we will work with lists and keys, which are an important part in React, because when you want to show a list of students, you need to know how to deal with lists and keys in React. After that, we will work with forms, how to create a login form, a sign-up form, how to get data from user. So we will talk about this part, and the last part in this course is about lifting states up and how to make your application modular and create a high scalable application in React. So I want you to follow this course and put your comments, and I will listen to every comments you put in this part. React make it painless to create interactive UI, design simple views for each state in your application, and React will efficiently update and render just the right component when your data changes. React is completely component-based. You can build encapsulated components that manage their own state, then compose them to make complex UI. Since component logic is written in JavaScript instead of template, you can easily pass rich data through your app and keep state out of the DOM, which is document object model. So you learn once and write everywhere. We don't make assumption that the rest of your technology stack, so you can develop new features in React without rewriting existing code. React can also render on the server using Node and power mobile app using React Native.